بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. We are continuing from where we stopped in the fourth lesson. So this is the second part of the fourth lesson. We couldn't finish it the last time. As I said, the lesson was long, so we had to pause at a particular place, and this is the continuation of the lesson, inshallah. So let's start. This was where we stopped, and this is simply a dialogue, another dialogue between the teacher Al-Mudarris, as you can see here, Al-Mudarrisu, the teacher, wa Muhammadun, and Muhammad. So there is a dialogue between the teacher and Muhammad. So let's read. The teacher says, Min aina anta? Min aina anta? Sorry, before we start here, let me show you something. You know, the last time we learned about huruf al-jar. You can remember we did huruf al-jar. So I want us to look at some few huruf al-jar from the Quran. Okay, I hope you can see here, right? You can see very well, right? Okay, so observe. You see, this is a huruf al-jar, right? وَمَا هُوَ عَلَى الْغَيْبِ بِضَنِينٍ. So this is huruf al-jar. What do we said about huruf al-jar? When they come, the now following it will take what? Kesra. So wama huwa alal ghaibi. You see, so kesra. So whenever you see it, as I said, just observe. We are not going to read through these verses very well. Alal ghaibi, you see. Here, where is the huruf al-jar? Allazi izaktalu ala nasi. You see, nasi. So you see. Ala nasi, not nasu. You see, then we have here alal araiki. You see, not alal araiku, but what? Alal araiki, because of the half jar. Now see here, allati lam yukhlaq misluha fil biladi. You see, fil biladi. So here, allazina tagaw fil biladi. You can see. أفلا يعلم إذا بؤسر ما في القبور. See, ما في القبور, not kubur. So you see, so this is simply what huruf al-jar does. Anyway you see them, the noun that is coming after after them, they will take kasra, except in few conditions that we will look at further, inshallah. So I hope that is clear. Okay. So this is now with one example here. The same thing, على الأرائك ينظرون, على الأرائك وحصل ما في الصدور. You see, ما في الصدور. So basically, that's just few examples from the Quran. You can see whenever they come, definitely. Okay, what's the name? Kesra, they now coming, we take Kesra. Now coming, we take Kesra. Fi is half a jar, so Kesra. Fi is half a jar, Kesra. Fi half a jar, Kesra. Okay. So let's continue. So this is the dialogue we're talking about. Min aina anta. Min means what? From. Aina means where. Anta is a pronoun. You. I hope you can remember the pronouns that we learned. Except what? Keep it at your fingertips. Anta means you. Masculine. So min aina anta. So definitely he's talking to a masculine, a male. Where are you from? But if it is English, you cannot determine whether the person he's asking is male or female. If I say, where are you from? And you just hear this sentence, you cannot determine whether I'm speaking to a male or a female. Where are you from? It could be a male or a female, but in Arabic you will know. So min aina anta, where are you from? You know that it is a male, or if the person is masculine. Why? Because of the anta. If it were to be female, the pronoun used would have been what? Anti. Min aina anti. But here anta. So masculine is referring to a male, Muhammad. So min aina anta, where are you from? So Muhammad answered by saying, Ana min al-Yaban. I am from Yaban. Yaban means what? Japan. Japan. That's how Japan is called. Arabic. Yaban. Okay. So Muhammad, the teacher says again, Wamin aina ammarun. And where is Ammar from? Wamin aina, and where is Wamin aina, and where is Ammarun from? Literally. Wamin aina ammarun, and where is Ammar from? Huwa min as-Sin. Huwa min as-Sin. He is from Sin. Sin means what? China. This is China. Sin, China. Al-Mudarrisu, the teacher says, Wamin aina Hamidun, and where is Hamid from? Where is Hamid from? So Muhammad answers, Huwa min al-Hindi. He is from Hindi. Hind is what? India. India. Huwa min al-Hind. He is from India. So Mudarris says, Aina Abbasun. Aina Abbasun. Where is Abbas from? Sorry, where is Abbas? Yes, where is Abbas? Aina Abbasun. So the from here, there's no from because min is from. Min means what? From. You can remember the last time when we talked about 4 huruf al-jar. Min, from, ila, to, fi, in, ala, on. That was the 4 huruf al-jar we did. So here, for example here, wamin aina hamidun. And where is Hamid from? You see the min, from. But here it is yes, aina Abbasun, not min aina Abbasun. Yes, aina Abbasun. So where is Abbas? Where is Abbas? Not where is Abbas from? You see there's no from there. So aina Abbasun. Where is Abbas? So Muhammad replies, Kharaja. So you see, Kharaja. We mentioned 2 verbs the last time. Kharaja, which means what? He left. He left. He went out. So Al-Mudarris says, Aina Zahaba. Aina Zahaba, where did he go? Aina Zahaba. So I told you the last time that a particular, a verb in Arabic language always come with comes in the third person with the third person pronoun. For example, Zahaba, he left. Kharaja, Zahaba, he went. Kharaja, he left. So he. It always comes as if, the third person ghaib pronoun is attached to it. I hope that is clear. So that's why he said, Aina Zahaba, where did he go? Even though there's no he here, like he, the pronoun he is not here. But as I said, the normal verb, the default form of a verb in Arabic comes with the third person pronoun, he. Okay. So Muhammad is replying, Zahaba ila al-mudiri. He went to the principal. Zahaba ila al-mudiri. He went to the principal. So the Mudarris says, Wa aina zahaba Aliyun. And where did Ali went? Wa aina zahaba Ali. So Muhammad replies, Zahaba ila al-mirhad. He went to the mirhad. The mirhad is the toilet. You can see here. There's a toilet here. So this is called the mirhad. Al-mirhadu, the toilet. But because of the harf al-jar, you can say al-mirhadi with kesra. Okay. So we have tamarin here, exercises. They want us to answer. We just read a dialogue, so they want us to answer. Ajib anil as'ilatil atiya. So we answer the following questions. Min aina anta. So this is relative, right? Min aina anta. Where are you from? So you can see ana min al-Yaban. I'm from Japan or something. Okay. Anta min al-Philippines. Are you from Philippines? Are you from Philippines? So you can see La. Ana min al-Yaban. No, I am from Yaban. I am from Japan, right? Man min as-Sin. Who is from China? We just read the dialogue. They said someone was from China. Who was that? Ammarun. Yes, the previous dialogue we just read. Man min as-Sin. So you can see Ammarun min as-Sin. Ammar is from Sin, China. So I'll come and explain something here. But let's complete this part. Min aina Hamidun. Min aina Hamidun. So from the dialogue, Hamid was from where? Hind. You can remember India. So Hamidun min al-Hind. Hamidun min al-Hindi. Hamid is from what? Hind, India. So Aina Zahaba Abbasun. Aina Zahaba Abbasun. Aina Zahaba Abbasun. We just saw it. Zahaba ila al-Mudiri. Zahaba ila al-Mudiri. Azahaba Aliyun ila al-Mudiri. Zahaba Aliyun ila al-Mudiri. You can remember the Mirhad. Mirhadu. Someone went to the toilet. This was Ali. Azahaba Aliyun ala al-Mirhad. So this is Hamza to Istifham. You can remember. Then Azahaba Aliyun, did Ali go ila al-Mudiri to the principal? La. Zahaba ila al-Mirhad. No, he went to the toilet. Okay. Now here, this alif is called Yani. I'm trying to explain something here. See, you can see this noon, right? It is having fatha on it. We say mina. We don't say min as saying. You see, it is having fatha on it. But this is min, like here. So see this one, and then this one. You see, the noon here is having sukun, but here it is having fatha. Why? This one having the fatha was originally this one. It was originally having sukun on the noon. So this is min. But they have spelled it mina with fatha on the noon. This is a particular rule in Arabic. When a noun is having sukun, when a word, any word is having sukun on the last letter, then the following word, you see here, it is having sukun on the last letter. The min here is having sukun on the noon. That's its last letter. And the following word is also beginning with sukun. So two sukuns cannot meet in Arabic. So here, assuming here was initial min, so the noon was having sukun. Now this Hamza, we call it Hamza to wasl, is also having sukun. So the noon is having sukun. Let me write so that you see. This noon is having sukun initially, and then this Hamza is called Hamza to wasl. It's also having sukun. So two sukuns, you cannot pronounce it. It cannot be pronounced. So you won't come and say. So that's why you see some students who read man, min, as-sini. You have to join it. So for example, he said min al-madrasa, min al-fasl. You see, min al-mustashfa, min al-jami'a. No, you say min al-jami'a, min al-fasl, min al-madrasa. You put, when that happens, it is difficult to pronounce. So what they do is that they establish a particular rule there, that they say la yaltakiyani sakinani fi lugat al-arabiyya. Two sukuns doesn't meet in Arabic language. So when you have a noun ending with sukun, and the following noun is beginning with sukun, the first sukun you have to take, like most of the case, you turn it to fatha to be able to pronounce it very well. So that is why here the noon is having fatha. You say what? La yaltakiyani sakinani fil arabiyya, lugat al-arabiyya, in Arabic language. So the noon having sukun and this Hamza having sukun, they can't go together. So here, most of the case, you turn the first one into fatha. So it now the minasin. So you see minasin. So this is what we call lam shamsiya. You can remember lam shamsiya. That's why we didn't say minal asin or minal sin. The lam will be silent. Lam shamsiya. You can remember. So here we now take fatha and then we now pronounce it like this. The noon will just go to this sound. So you see. So you now see minasin. 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 So this lam, you are jumping the lam
You are not pronouncing it because it is Shamsiya. And you can remember, you can see the Shadda. And then here you kept the Fatha on the Noon because of the two schools. It was initial school, but this Hamza is also having school. And as we said, the ending of it, when two words are together, the first one ending with school and the second one beginning with school, they come meet. It is difficult to pronounce, so we put Fatha on the first one. So please observe that. That is why it is like that. But it is initial mean. Min. Yes, min. Okay. Hope that is clear. So let's continue here. So you have here Ikra waktub ma'adopt awakhir al-kalimat. So read and write each of the following words vocalizing its last letter. So the same thing, we are going to vocalize the last letter. Put the vowels on the last letter. So this is to test the understanding. And as we have been doing this one a lot. So we put whether one vowel, two vowel, fatha, kesra, or dhamma, depending on the case. Depending on the case that is suitable. So here, al-ghurfatu, see, dhamma. Min al-ghurfati, kesra, because of the harf al-jar. Min al-hammami, kesra, because of the mim, harf al-jar. Al-mirhadu, dhamma. Ila al-mirhadi, kesra, because of the harf al-jar. Okay. Al-yabanu, dhamma. Al-filibinu, right? Dhamma. Min al-hindi, because of kesra, harf al-jar. Ila sini, to China. So sini, kesra, because of this one, harf al-jar. Okay. Ikra waktub. Min aina Fatimatu? Where is Fatimatu from? Here, min al-Hindi. He is from Hind. So you can see what I was talking about. The same thing has repeated. Min. It was initially min. But min, schoon here on the noon. Another schoon on the Hamza. You can see this Hamza to was. So what will happen is that two schoons will have to come together and you cannot pronounce it. So you have to change the first one to a a fatha, so that you can pronounce it. So you see min as-sin, but you can say min as-sini, min al-hindi. You see some students saying that min al-hindi. That is not how it should be. Okay. So خرج المدرس من الفصل وذهب إلى المدير. خرج المدرس من الفصل وذهب إلى المدير. The mudarris, the teacher, went out or left from the class in al-fasl. ذهب إلى المدير, and he went to the principal, the mudir. ذهب التاجر إلى الدكان. ذهب التاجر, the merchant or the trader, went to the dukkan. What is dukkan? Ma ma'ana dukkan? The shop, right? Shop. Dukkani, the shop. So this is harf al-jar. So kesra will come definitely. So kharaja hamidun min al-ghurfati. Hamid went out. Kharaja left, went out. Min al-ghurfati, from the room. Min al-ghurfati zahaba ila al-hammami, and then he went to the hammam, the washroom. Man kharaja min al-fasl, who went out of the fasl? Who went out of the classroom? Man kharaja min al-fasl. So this is ism istifham. So that is why you can see the question mark, alamatu istifham. Man means who? Kharaja, left, min al-fasl, from the fasl. Okay, so this is the dua, even though it is an istifham, but it asks about the dua. So that's why we don't translate it to say who is he who left, or who he left from the class. No, I told you that he is initial in Arabic, it is original attached. The third person pronoun is attached to the verb. But here, because this one is asking about the doer, we will not repeat the he again. It stands in the position. So who left? Who left? Not who he left, You will not see that. See who left from the fasl. Okay. Hope that is clear. Okay. So we have here kharaja. Kharaja man? kharaja talibu min al-madrasati wa zahaba ila suki. Kharaja talibu, the student, the male student, of course. Kharaja left min al-madrasati, from the school, wa zahaba ila suki, and then he went to the market. Suki is the market. It's initial sukun. Sukun is the market. So when there is alif or lam, it will now tend to suku, one dhamma. And now when there is harf al-jar, that dhamma will tend to kasra. So ila suki, to the market. Khadijatu min as-Sini wa Khalidun min al-Yaban. Khadijatu is from Sin, that is China. As-Sini, China. Khalidun, and Khalidun min al-Yaban is from Yaban, that is Japan. So we have here, okay, another exercise. ضع في الفراغ فيما يلي حرف الجر مناسبة. So you are supposed to put the harf al-jar that is suitable to the harf al-jar that best fit these sentences. So we have huruf al-jar here. They have given you. So now they can fix it, the most suitable one. So al-kitabu, of course, al-maktab. So let's use al-maktab. So definitely use this one here. Al-kitabu al-maktab, right? Okay, then we have the second one. At-talibu min al-fasl, right? At-talibu min al-fasl. The male student is from the fasl, the classroom. So min al-fasl. Use min al-fasl, right? Then we have here ذهب حامد إلى الجامعة. Right? So use this one. إلى الجامعة. Right? ذهب حامد إلى الجامعة. Hamid went to the university. Jamia is the university. Jamia to the university. But إلى الجامعة, so have a job. Okay. So the fourth one here, he said kharaja al-mudiru min al-madrasati, right? It should be min al-madrasati. Kharaja al-mudiru, the principal left from the school, right? From the school, not to the school, from the school. So also one left, it should be from, right? So min al, right? This one. Kharaja al-mudarrisu min al-madrasa, right? So have Zahaba Muhammadun. And then say now here. And then another one. So Zahaba Muhammadun min as-Sini, from China. Muhammad went from China, min as-Sini, ila al-Yaban, to Japan. So he went from China to Japan. So min as-Sini ila al-Yaban, right? So we use min as-Sini. Okay, and then ila al-Yaban, right? Ila al-Yaban. So I hope that is clear. Okay, everything is clear, right? We have here al-kalimatu al-jadida. Al-kalimatu al-jadida. These are the new words we have came across in the lesson, right? So the first one is here is al-madrasatu, that is the school. Al-faslu, the classroom. Al-hammamu is the what? The washroom. Al-mirhadu is the toilet. Al-matbahu is the what? The kitchen, where they cook the food. As the matbahu. They'll have al-ghurfatu, the room. Al-jami'atu, the university. So madrasatu is school. Jami'atu is specifically university. University. Okay. Asuku is the market. The market. We have here Al-Yaban. Al-Yaban is the what? Japan. As-Sinu is China. Al-Hindu is India. Al-Philippine is Philippines, right? You have Al-Mudiru. Mudiru is the principal. Zahaba, he went. And then Kharaja, he left. So these are the two verbs we have learned in this lesson. They will have here huruf al-jar. Fi means in. Ala means on. Min means from. Ila means to. So min huruf al-jar are from huruf al-jar. So they said these four min huruf al-jar are from huruf al-jar. Okay, so this brings us to the end of this lesson, inshallah. Alhamdulillah, we have completed this lesson 4. So we'll continue in the 5th lesson, in the next lesson, inshallah. So stop here. And then barakallahu fi wa jazakumullahu khairan fi hayatikum. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.